Good morning, students. So today our topic is cumulative frequency series. And yes, students. So in our previous lecture, we have already discussed about the less than frequency distribution series. And today we will discuss the more than frequency distribution series. So students, this is our lecture number 21. And we will also calculate the arithmetic mean when the mid values are given. So let's start. Yes, students, so first of all we take an example to calculate the arithmetic mean in cumulative frequency distribution series. So from the following distribution of marks obtained by 50 students in statistics and calculate average marks. So students, marks are given more than 0, more than 10, more than 20, more than 30, more than 40 and more than 50. And the number of students are given 50, 45, 38, 26, 10 and 4. So students, number of students which are given, this is a cumulative frequency, not a simple frequency. So first of all, we convert the cumulative frequency into simple frequency. Okay, so we convert the cumulative frequency series into simple series. So how to convert this? So yes students, so ये आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पर कितने कितने का गैप आ रहा है, मोर देन 0, मोर देन 10, मोर देन 20, 10 10 का गैप है. तो हमारा क्लास इंटरवल क्या हो जाएगा, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 15, 50 to 60. ओके, सो नाउ मोर देन 0 का मतलब 0 से अबव सारी फ्रीक्वेंसी गिवन है यहाँ पर, मोर देन सारी ऐड करके लिखी हुई है 20. मोर देन 10 का मतलब 10 से अबव की सारी फ्रीक्वेंसी, मोर देन 20, 20 से अबव सारी फ्रीक्वेंसी. तो अगर हमने 0 to 10 की फ्रीक्वेंसी निकालनी है तो हम क्या करेंगे, मोर देन 0 में से मोर देन 10 की फ्रीक्वेंसी को माइनस कर देंगे. तो हमारे पास कौन सी फ्रीक्वेंसी आ जाएगी, 0 to 10 की. तो 50 माइनस 45, 5. तो ये 5 हमारी क्या हो जाएगी, 0 to 10 की फ्रीक्वेंसी हो जाएगी. ऐसे ही हम क्या करेंगे, 10 to 20 की फ्रीक्वेंसी कैसे निकालेंगे, हमारे जो मोर देन 10 और मोर देन 20 की फ्रीक्वेंसीज हैं उनको आपस में माइनस करेंगे. ओके, सो 50 माइनस 45, 40 माइनस 45 माइनस 38, 38 माइनस 26 and 26 minus 10, 10 minus 4 and 4 minus 0. So now by this way we uh, convert the cumulative frequency series into simple series. So now moving on the next slide. So students, now we calculate the arithmetic mean in cumulative frequency distribution series by more than series. So yes, marks are given more than 0, more than 10, more than 20, more than 30, more than 40, more than 50. And number of students are given. Yes, this is our cumulative frequency. Now students, we convert the cumulative frequency series into simple series. So marks x, yes, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 50 to 60. Now we convert the cumulative frequency series into simple frequency. So 50 minus 45, 5, 45 minus 38, 7, 38 minus 26, 12, 26, yes, 26 minus 10, 16, 10 minus 4, 6 and 4 minus 0, 4. So now this is our simple frequency series. So students, now we calculate the mid value, and you know that how to calculate the mid value by the x series. So 0 to yes, this is lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So 0 plus 10 by 2, this is 5. 10 plus 20 by 2, 15. Then so on, 25, 35, 45, 55. Now students, we calculate the deviation d, and d is equal to mid value minus a. A means assumed mean. So yes, so we assumed it by it in the mid value series. So yes, from 25 we take the assume mean 25, and d deviation is equal to mid value minus a. So now 5 minus 25 minus 20, 15 minus 25 minus 10, 25 minus 25 0, then 35 minus 25 10, 45 minus 25 20, and 55 minus 25 30. Now students, we calculate the step deviations, means d dash, and you know that d dash is equal to d by c, and c is a common factor. So कॉमन फैक्टर यस डी डेविएशन में से हम कॉमन फैक्टर निकालते हैं तो हमारा कितना यहाँ पर कॉमन फैक्टर निकल सकता है 10. ओके, सो कॉमन फैक्टर इज इक्वल टू 10. So minus 20 by 10 minus 2 minus 10 by 10 minus 1. So 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. So students, now we calculate the FD dash. And students, this is our frequency. Yes, this is our frequency. We convert the cumulative frequency into simple frequency series. So 5, 7, 12, 16, 6 and 4, this is our frequency series, and we calculate the yes, and d dash, this is the series of d dash. So now multiply both the series. So 5 multiply minus 2 minus 10, 7 multiply minus 1 minus 7, 12 multiply 0 0, 60 multiply 1 60, 6 multiply 2 12, and 4 multiply 12. So 4 multiply 3 12. So students, now we take the summation of frequency and summation of FD dash. So students, yes, our summation frequency, yes, sum of frequency is equal to 50 and sum of FD dash is equal to 23. So now students, we apply the formula of step deviation method. Yes, this is our formula of step deviation method to calculate the arithmetic mean. X bar is equal to a plus summation FD dash by n multiply c. So now putting the values in this formula, and we get 25 plus 23 by 50 multiply 10. So students, yes, so the answer is 29.60 marks. Okay students, so by this method we calculate the arithmetic mean in the cumulative frequency series, and the more than series is given. Our next topic is mid values, when the mid values are given. So we will discuss this series. Yes students, when mid values are given in the quotient of continuous series instead of class interval, then same method will be used to calculate arithmetic mean as is used in the discrete series. Okay. So we take an example, calculate arithmetic mean with the help of following data. Yes students, so mid value m is equal to 5, 15, 25, 35 and 45, and frequencies are given 4, 8, 10, 6, 2. So now first of all we assume mean. So 25 जैसे तो हम मिड वैल्यू की सीरीज में से क्या करेंगे, एज्यूम मानेंगे. सो वी एज्यूम 25. So now we calculate a deviation by mid value minus assumed mean, and a is equal to 25. So 5 minus 25 minus 20, 15 minus 25 minus 10 and so on. Okay, so 0 plus 10 plus 20. Now we calculate the step deviation d dash, and you know that d dash is equal to d by c. c is common factor, so कितना आएगा common factor 10. यहाँ पर हमारा common factor आ रहा है, हम यहाँ 10 ले लेंगे. So c is equal to 10. So now d by c, yes, minus 20 by 10 minus 2 minus 10 by 10 minus 1, 0 by 10, 0, plus 10 by 10, plus 1, 20 by 10, 2. Now we calculate the FD dash and we multiply the frequency with the D dash. Okay, so 4 multiply minus 2 minus 8, 8 multiply minus 1 minus 8, 10 multiply 0 0, 6 multiply 1 6 and 2 multiply 2 4. So students, now we take the sum of frequency and the FD dash. So the summation of frequency is equal to 30 and summation FD dash is equal to minus 6. So now yes students, so now we apply the formula to calculate the arithmetic mean. And you know, this is the formula of step deviation method in our, but to calculate the arithmetic mean. So x bar is equal to a plus summation FD dash by and multiply c, and putting the values in this formula, so we get yes 25 plus minus 6 by 30 multiply 10 and we get 23. So yes, so this is our answer. So students, by this method we calculate the arithmetic mean in the mid value series. So that's all for today. Have a good day.